We are here at 7228 6th Avenue North in St. Pete, doing a sewer inspection video. We are just past the base of the stack here. And more than likely headed straight out the back side of the house. Not sure exactly what that is. That spot doesn't look real happy. I'm going to go down and locate that. Alright, so this spot here is actually a hole in the top of the pipe. I went down there, located it, and dug it up. And there's a hole in the top of the pipe where somebody tried to patch it up, but there's dirt getting in the hole, you can see. On both sides there, those little white marks are dirt. Getting past the sock that they wrapped around the pipe. We'll go on from here and see if there's anything else we can say. It looks like we're going into Orangeburg pipe. From this point I can't even push the camera any farther. I'm going to locate this now, dig it up, and find out if we have Orangeburg pipe in the ground. If there is, there's not much sense in going any further, seeing as there's nothing you can do with Orangeburg other than replace it. So I went ahead and located this spot in the yard, and this is absolutely Orangeburg pipe. And I see a little bubble in it there, and it jumps up and moves around. Pipe should not do that. You've got about a 60-foot run from the house to the alley. I would definitely suggest installing a new sewer system. From the cast iron, where it should transition to PVC, and then out to the city tap. We're coming up the vent stack here. You see evidence on the roof what the plumber's pulled out. Tampons on the roof here. It's definitely a no-no in any sewer system, but in a Orangeburg system it doesn't get much worse.